Hello, welcome our READYLATCH channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best protein shake that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Evolve Plant-Based Protein Shake, Double Chocolate. If you are looking for a vegan protein shake, Evolve Plant-Based Protein Shakes are an excellent option. These shakes contain 20 grams of protein in the form of pea protein isolate. Pea protein, similarly to whey and casein, is a complete protein, meaning it contains all of the essential amino acids we need to obtain from the diet, as well as the branched-chain amino acids needed for recovery from exercise. 5. In addition to the high-quality protein, we like that Evolve contains vitamins vegans sometimes struggle to obtain. These shakes contain 15% of the daily value for vitamin B12, as well as zinc, and 25% of the daily value for iron. Evolve shakes have 15 grams of carbohydrates, with 10 of these grams coming from soluble corn fiber. Fiber has many health benefits, though this is a high amount of fiber for a protein shake and may cause digestive discomfort for some, particularly before exercising. Since fiber cannot be used as an energy source, Evolve shakes do not have many carbohydrates that can be used for energy. We recommend pairing them with a food source of carbohydrates, like a piece of fruit. Please keep in mind that Evolve may contain soy, a major allergen. The smooth and creamy taste makes it enjoyable to drink on its own nor as a base to mix with other recipes. The Life Fuel protein shake can help you boost energy levels naturally and improve metabolic function while helping to support a healthy lifestyle. Number 2, Quest Nutrition Vanilla Protein Shake High Protein. This category, as well as being our overall winner, we're calling out Quest Nutrition too, since it was a close second here in the vanilla category. The dairy-based protein shake had a thick creamy viscosity and a smooth mouthfeel, unlike others that were chalky and unpleasant. Plus, the shake was a creamy white color, a direct contrast to some of the other vanilla protein powders that were tan or even green after being mixed with water, not exactly what you picture when you think of a vanilla-flavored item. When it comes to the taste, a few of our testers found it reminiscent of ice cream, with one person saying it tastes like a melted vanilla milkshake. The shake gets its sweetness from the artificial sweetener sucralose. While some found the sucralose a little strong for their liking, overall, it wasn't cloying or bitter. And with 30 grams of protein per serving, this shake can help make it easy to meet your nutrition goals. This protein shake contains 30 grams of protein and 3 grams of carbs, helping you lose weight while also boosting your immunity to meet your nutrition goals. This protein shake contains 30 grams of protein and 3 grams of carbs, helping you lose weight while also boosting your immunity. Number 3, Atkins Gluten-Free Protein-Rich Shake Matcha Latte. If you're looking to lose weight and get in shape, the Atkins protein shake can be the perfect way to start. With 15 grams of proteins and 5 grams of fiber, this protein shake can help you lose weight and build muscle by curbing your appetite and preventing cravings in between meals. This protein shake is also made with real coffee and rich chocolate for a creamy, indulgent treat that tastes just like dessert. And with only 4 grams of net carbs, it won't throw you off your keto diet. This protein shake is gluten-free, making it a great option for anyone with dietary restrictions, and you can use it as a meal replacement or a snack to stay energized throughout the day. It provides 8 grams of plant-based protein from organic brown rice and peas, which gives it a complete amino acid profile. We love that Kinder Sprouts drink also provides 3 grams of fiber and 28 essential vitamins and minerals per serving, as it is made with an organic fruit and vegetable blend. This makes Kinder Sprout a good choice for kids that need a protein boost as well as other nutrients in their diet. This shake contains 18 to 20 grams of protein, depending on the type of bottle, in the form of pea protein and brown rice protein. It also contains 9 to 11 grams of carbohydrates, of which 3 grams come from dietary fiber, so the amount of carbohydrates your body can use for energy is limited. The brand includes these in small amounts. For example, one serving only provides around 10% of the daily value of vitamin D and 30% of calcium. This shake is gluten-free but contains milk, making it unsuitable for vegans or people with lactose intolerance. The high amount of protein per serving and the no addition of added. Number 4, Fairlife Core Power 26 grams Protein Milk Shakes. The Fairlife Core Power Protein Shake can be just what you need. Made from ultra-filtered milk, this protein shake contains 26 grams of protein and plenty of electrolytes, helping repair, rebuild and maintain lean muscle and body tissue while also aiding in recovery after an intense workout. This protein shake doesn't contain artificial sweeteners or flavors, and it's also lactose-free and gluten-free, making it easy to digest for pretty much anyone. Available in a delicious chocolate flavor, this protein shake can satisfy your sweet tooth while also providing you with the nutrients your body needs to perform at the top of its game. This may be especially helpful if you're an athlete training at a high capacity and have significantly elevated protein needs. 4 Tyler, whose personal favorite is strawberry banana, recommends these for their high protein content and great flavor. Fairlife Core Protein can also help you meet your daily calcium needs with 50% of the recommended dietary. The form of pea protein and brown rice protein. It also contains 9 to 11 grams of carbohydrates, of which 3 grams come from dietary fiber, so the amount of carbohydrates your body can use for energy is limited. Therefore, you might want to pair this shake with a food source of carbohydrates. Aloha shakes come in 3 flavors: vanilla, coconut, and chocolate sea salt. In addition to being vegan, Aloha shakes are organic, non-GMO, and free from gluten. This shake's protein sources include milk protein isolate, milk protein concentrate, whey protein concentrate, and calcium caseinate. The company claims that it can improve muscle recovery. This may make it suitable for people who want a post-workout shake. Number 5 ON Plant-Based Protein Shake, 20 grams vegan protein. The added greens may interact with certain medications such as blood thinners. ON Protein Shake is our top choice because of its winning combination of nutrition and flavor. With 20 grams of plant-based protein, it can help you meet your post-workout recovery needs or contribute to your total daily intake if you struggle to get enough protein. Peters says it's even a good option for pregnant people. Their shakes contain all essential amino acids as well as a source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for the baby's brain and eye development. Because of the pea and pumpkin seed proteins, it contains 30% of typical daily iron needs, which may help if you have elevated needs or if you have trouble getting enough through diet. If you're an athlete, are currently pregnant, or are following a vegan diet, this may apply to you. 12 ON's shake is low in added sugar, making it a good choice for anyone managing their blood sugar. It does contain the high-intensity sweetener monk fruit extract. This protein powder provides 70 calories, less than other protein powders and shakes, and it is not fortified with vitamins and minerals. So, it's ideal if protein is your primary goal for a supplement. While some may appreciate the like, comment and share, please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.